Yes, today I want to do a full unbox review and setup on my new hunting chair. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. The setup is quick and straightforward. Everything clicks into place easily, and once it's assembled, it feels solid and secure. Whether you're in a blind or setting up an uneven ground, you're ready to go in just a couple of minutes, no tools or hassle. The hunting chair is built for serious support and comfort out in the field. It's made with upgraded heavy-duty steel that gives it a solid, stable feel, and it holds up to 400 pounds. The seat uses a FLEX-TEX hard mesh with breathable cushioning, which is great for staying comfortable on long hunts. No collapsing when you sit or shift, even after hours of waiting. One of the standout features is a 300-degree silent swivel. The rotating base moves quietly and smoothly, so you can adjust your aim without making noise or spooking your target. Whether you're turkey or deer hunting, the silent movement gives you a real edge. Plus, the wide seat and supportive backrest make it easy to stay focused and relaxed throughout the day. You can also customize the chair to fit your size. The seat height and legs are adjustable, and it comes with wider armrests and padded support that feels durable and quiet. It's clearly built with comfort and function in mind, especially for those long sits in blinds or uneven ground. The 180-degree swivel duck feet add great stability in mud, gravel, or grass. You're not sinking or wobbling, just a solid base where you get set up. And while it's clearly built tough, it's still portable. With leg straps and adjustable shoulder straps, it's easy to carry even for bigger hunters when you're hauling gear. So if you guys are looking for a new hunting chair, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.